Honey is traditionally used for health due to its antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, as well as its soothing anti-inflammatory effects on respiratory issues. Milk, on the other hand, has traditionally been praised for its vitamin and mineral content, including fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, B vitamins, and calcium. Both milk and honey are sources of many essential nutrients for the body. When combined together, they have numerous health benefits, from improving the health of your skin and hair to helping in digestion, sleep disorders, and anxiety. In this video, we will tell you about all the benefits of honey milk in detail. We're going to explain when and how this remedy should be used and in what cases it's better to avoid it. Subscribe to Big Progress channel so as not to miss new interesting videos that we submit every day. So here are the beneficial properties of the ingredients. Taking honey milk can have a positive effect on the condition of the body. Both components are organic and have a mild therapeutic effect on all organs and systems of a person at any age. Benefits of milk. Cow's milk, a drink people often associate with good health, is one of the most popular beverages in the United States and Europe. Animals, including humans, produce milk to feed their young until they're ready for solid food. As such, milk contains valuable nutrients that help support a growing body, including calcium and protein. Some important nutrients that milk provides include calcium. Dairy products, including milk, are among the richest dietary sources of calcium. Calcium is essential for bone and tooth health, blood clotting, and blood pressure. Potassium. Potassium is vital for heart health, which includes reducing the risk of stroke, heart disease, and high blood pressure. A 100-gram serving of cow's milk contains around 162 milligrams of potassium. In the case of lactose intolerance, however, a symptom such as diarrhea can lead to potassium depletion. Choline. Choline is an important nutrient for sleep, muscle movement, learning, and memory. It also helps with nerve signals, fat absorption, and inflammation. Benefits of mixing honey and milk. In the right ratio, these two ingredients enhance the properties of each other and provide a powerful healing effect, suppressing many diseases. Here are some of the properties of the drink. Heals respiratory ailments. Drinking honey with warm milk is effective in killing and flushing out bacteria in the throat to ease respiratory tract infections. Stress buster. Drinking milk and honey has a soothing effect on the body as it releases serotonin in the brain, which helps in relaxation. It's also known to lower cortisol levels in the body, which is a stress hormone. Subsequently, it reduces the damage of the hormone on the internal organs. Helps in digestion. Honey, being a prebiotic, promotes the growth of useful or good bacteria in the digestive system. When milk is consumed every day with a few drops of honey, it helps restore the healthy bacterial flora needed for a good digestive system. Fights stomach infections. The drink's antibacterial and antioxidant properties destroy harmful bacteria in the stomach to fight off infections. It restores the bacterial flora in the gut to normal levels and speeds up recovery. Honey milk for colds. In case of colds, milk warms the body and begins to eliminate viruses rapidly. Honey in turn stimulates the immune system and has a tonic effect, helping the body fight the virus itself. If you take honey milk for coughs before going to bed, you can add a piece of butter. This will protect you against any complications of cold. However, the use of milk, honey, and butter will also be effective for other diseases. Cough remedy. When you feel the first fits of coughing, they do not let you live and work efficiently. If the cough is dry, it will not stop for several days, irritating the airway constantly. And again, honey milk with butter can save the day. The drink will remove the phlegm from the lungs and also will invigorate and warm the body. For bronchitis. Honey milk also helps to eliminate cough in bronchitis. The drink thins the phlegm and removes it quickly from the body. Drinking this beverage is beneficial only if you don't have allergies to its ingredients. This miraculous folk remedy has no other contraindications for stomach and intestinal issues. The mixture of these two healthy organic ingredients helps cope with a wide variety of stomach ailments. It eliminates dysbiosis, removes pain, relieves inflammation, and has a bactericidal effect. Honey milk thins stomach mucosa, removes toxins from the body, fights constipation, eliminates worms, dissolves fecal stones, increases hemoglobin levels, and has many other benefits. Nice cocktail, isn't it? The beverage may be used for erosions, ulcers, and gastritis, as well as for heartburn and enterocolitis. However, you should remember about the possible harms of honey milk. In case of individual intolerance, diarrhea, or diabetes mellitus, it will be better to avoid the drink. To get the maximum benefit, you need to know the right honey milk recipe and to take the remedy only in case of diseases and on an empty stomach, about half an hour before eating. The best kinds of honey for this purpose are buckwheat, fireweed, and acacia. Honey milk for insomnia. A glass of warm milk with a hint of honey can help you slay your rapid eye movement cycles. A 2018 study found that drinking a mix of milk and honey twice a day for 3 days helped folks sleep better. Honey can also help you hit the hay. One study found that people had better sleep after eating half a teaspoon of honey 30 minutes before bed. Honey also reduced nighttime coughing in 300 kids with respiratory infections, according to the same study. Honey milk for weight loss. Despite the fact that the drink is quite sweet, it can help you lose a few extra pounds if used right. How, you may ask? The point is that honey is high in fructose, which is absorbed into the bloodstream slowly. This helps reduce the level of sugar in the body and to prevent its sharp changes, which will have a positive effect on body weight and shape. In addition, a glass of honey milk before bedtime will calm the nervous system, so you will sleep much better. Honey milk for pneumonia. This is an acute symptom, and methods of its treatment are especially relevant during the coronavirus pandemic. To warm up the body and speed up the recovery, drink honey milk both before bed and throughout the day. But first, ensure the protection from cold air and drafts. Right after you empty the glass, immediately go to bed and cover yourself with a blanket. There are several recipes for making honey milk for adults and children. Here are a few of them. Classic recipe for honey milk. This is the main recipe of this folk remedy on which all other are based. Take a glass of cow's or goat's milk and 2 tablespoons of honey. Also add a teaspoon of butter. Heat the milk, put butter and stir until it dissolves completely, then put honey and mix until homogeneous. It is very important to maintain the temperature conditions while making the drink. Milk must not be heated to more than 60 degrees centigrade, and in the temperature less than 40 degrees the ingredients will not dissolve well and there won't be such a powerful warming effect. This dosage is for an adult person. For children or pregnant women, the dosage must be halved. Honey milk with additives. In addition to the main ingredients, you can put some additives to honey milk. Such beverages will be even more beneficial if you consume them right. Here are the best recipes that will help improve the properties of your honey milk. For weight loss, add cinnamon to honey milk. Put 1 spoonful of cinnamon to a glass of the beverage and drink as usual. For pneumonia, soak a glass of oatmeal in honey milk, mix the ingredients, wait until the flakes swell with milk, squeeze the milk from them, and drink it in small portions. For gastrointestinal diseases, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of aloe sap. The mixture will help cope with an ulcer if the juice is taken from a 5-year-old plant. Drink aloe honey milk in long courses. With sore throat and pharyngitis, severe inflammation appears in the mucous membranes of the throat. Honey milk mixed with carbonated water will help. Just add 2 tablespoons of the remedy to a glass of water. Honey milk can also be used as an effective facial mask. Take half a glass of oats and grind them in a blender to a powdery state. Add 5 tablespoons of boiled milk to the powder and let it cool to about 50 degrees. Add butter and honey and stir the mask thoroughly. The miraculous remedy should be applied to the face in an even layer for half an hour and then washed off with warm water. The skin will become glossier and healthier, and the signs of premature aging and minor skin defects will disappear. How to drink honey milk right? First, don't overuse the beverage. Don't take more than a few glasses a week. For example, an adult should eat no more than 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey per day, and milk is difficult to digest in large amount. Children should eat no more than 2 teaspoons of honey per day, as well as pregnant women. A large amount of honey can cause an allergic reactions in the baby. Are there any contraindications? There are very few of them, but still they are. These are diabetes mellitus of both types, individual intolerance to lactose or bee products, infancy, kidney stones, and high hemoglobin levels. Considering these nuances, you can safely use honey milk for the treatment of any diseases, for strengthening of the immune system and the work of internal organs, as well as for prevention of various ailments. And of course, you may drink this beverage just for pleasure, since it's delicious. That's all for today, dear friends. We hope that the video was interesting for you. If it was, be sure to share it with your friends, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. We work every day to create useful and relevant content about health and food for you. See you next time on Big Progress.